Was this provision of 5% surcharge available before now? Yes. Now, was it part of the new formulated tax reform policy? No. Did President Bola Ahmed Tinubu introduce this 5% surcharge? No. Now, the big question, are we still paying the 5% surcharge coming from next year, 2026? Maybe, but let me explain. So the chairman of the Presidential Committee on the Fiscal Policy and Tax Reform, Taiwo Dele, has actually come to defend the 5% surcharge as a long-standing provision under the Federal Road Maintenance Agency, which is FEMA, and it's an amendment act since 2007. So therefore, it is not a new tax act that was just introduced. Now, it is only being mentioned as a result of they trying to harmonize the new tax reform policy. So the big question is, are we still paying the 5% surcharge coming from next year, 2026? Maybe, because this is only dependent on a formal order which can be given by the Minister of Finance, which has not been issued yet. So technically what that means is that if the Minister of Finance has not given the order yet, we are not paying anything. Wow. Minister, please now. Minister, please, man. The tax for next year is much. Now, the question we all should even be asking is, what is even the original purpose of this surcharge? Now, based on my research, the purpose of this levy is to create a dedicated funding stream for road infrastructure and transport system. Now, which original purpose is to actually help reduce logistic costs, lower inflation, and travel expenses across the whole economy. Big English. Technically, what that means is that reduce transport costs. Now, from my research, it was actually estimated that based on our fuel consumption for 2024, the surcharge could have actually generated around 796 billion in revenue just from petrol alone, not including diesel or aviation fuel. Wow, 796 billion.
I cannot fail. There's too much at stake.
Now remember, whether this is implemented or not, it is not affecting basic home use of resources like our kerosene and our gas, which we basically use at home. It is just on the fuel. So whether minister signed or not, but we are still waiting on the minister order. So relax, let's go and talk to the minister and let's see whether he's going to sign. Please don't forget to share this video to all your fellow fuel users so everybody will be guided. Let's talk later.